have a golf ball in my hand. I know it's kind of small to look at. But what I do is I drop it straight down right on the starting line. And then what we're doing is videoing the path of the golf ball. Watch what you're looking at. Notice that the lines are going by faster at the end than in the beginning. They're all 2 meters apart. So look how long it takes it to go 2 meters in the beginning versus at the end, it's not taking hardly any time to go 2 meters, right? So that's rolling down off the floor of the ramp. Now the really tough one is this one. Obviously that was acceleration, right? It starts off slow. It took several seconds just to get to the first 2 meter mark. And then by the end, it was really rolling fast. Here's the reverse. I'm at the bottom of the ramp now, and I'm going to basically, like I'm bowling, I'm rolling the ball up the ramp from that finish line back up to the starting line. Remember, this is displaced, and we're getting back to where it started. Watch the way it works this way. So the ball seems to cover really fast at the beginning, but look how long it takes to go the last 2 meters. Okay? So, again, it's covering 2 meters real quickly, and then by the end, it's taken forever just to get to the starting line again. Okay? It took me several tries to do that, but we timed it.